everyone, welcome back to my channel Everyday Reviews by Vihan Kalia. This is your host Vihan Kalia, and in this video I'll show you how to make popsicles. But before that, I'm going to Lokhandwala market to buy some stuff. And like always, don't forget to wear your mask as COVID cases are rising really fast. And don't forget to carry your water bottle as it's getting too hot. And don't forget to turn off your fan when you go out. So now let's go. So now like always I'm going to my car and then we'll start our journey. So this is the road connecting Navi Mumbai to Mumbai, and you can see there's a lot of construction going on. New buildings are coming up, and because of summers, greenery is fading away. So it's a pretty hazy day today, like it's not that clear in front of me, but when you go near it starts to get clear. So it's not a that nice day, but yeah, it's still going good. So far so good. So now we are passing by Pagoda. Many people come to Pagoda to do Vipassana. Vipassana is one kind of meditation. Now we are at Chamber. You can see this is a fort-like structure with the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and its soldiers with elephants. Now we are at BKC, which is also known as Bandra Kurla Complex. There are many offices with modern architecture. Lokhandwala market, and you can see there are actually a lot of shops, and many people come here specially to buy clothes and other stuff. I'm in the kitchen, and now we will start making the popsicles. So we are going to make 4 popsicles. First of orange, second of mango, as now it's summer and it's the season of mango, third of lemons, and fourth of watermelon. The most important thing is any kulfi or popsicle mold. You can buy this from Amazon or get this from any market. Let's start making the popsicle. My mother has helped me to cut the watermelon, and then we are going to make a juice out of it and then put it in the mold. Just in case there are any seeds, you can strain them out. Now I strained out the seeds and pulp from the juice, and if you like more sweetness, you can add sugar. My watermelon was really sweet, so I did not have to add sugar. This is the orange juice for the orange popsicle, and my mother helped me to squeeze it. These are the mango pieces for the mango popsicle, and these are Alfonso mangoes, and they're really nice and sweet. popsicle. So first of all, I'm pouring water from matka as it is cold and it's really good for your health compared to fridge water. You basically have to make normal lemonade. So now I'm squeezing lemon from the lemon squeezer. Now I'm squeezing the second lemon. You can add little sugar and little salt if you want. I'm adding a little sugar and a little salt. Then you have to mix it like a lot of times because it takes a lot of time for the sugar to dissolve with the water. You can mix it clockwise and then again. Now let's pour them in the molds. This is the orange one. This is the watermelon. This is the lemon. And this is the mango. This will actually take a lot of time to come down as it is really thick. Now I've poured all of the juices and now I'm going to close the lid of them and then we'll have to freeze them for around 4 to 5 hours. You can see it's so nice and colorful, right? Except for the lemon one as it has actually no color. Now I've put it in the freezer and it'll be ready till evening. Now let's keep it for 4 to 5 hours. I left my popsicles overnight as I went to play in the evening and I forgot about popsicles. So I left the popsicles overnight and now if you open it, you'll have to keep it in the water for almost 2 to 3 minutes and then you can open it. And then you can see this is the lemon popsicle. It looks so nice and it's so evenly shaped. This is the watermelon popsicle. This is one of my favorites. This is the orange popsicle. This is also very evenly shaped. And the most tastiest, the mango popsicle. It will take a little time and yes, you can see it looks so tasty. So I hope you liked my recipe and please do not forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel Everyday Reviews by Vihan Kalia. And if your popsicle isn't evenly shaped, it's okay. And please see my next videos as they are going to be interesting. Till then, bye!